Ali, please open your camera. Is there is some issue? Ali, am I audible? Okay, so in the last class, we have completed till differential equation by. We have done the homogeneous differential equation. We have also done the variable separable, right? So the last method of solving the differential equation is linear differential equation. Just a minute. Okay, so is the screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is a linear differential equation. It is dy by dx plus py plus q, where py is the function of x. P and q are the constant of function of x only. Okay, either p is a constant or a function of x, and same goes with the q also. So this is the form of linear differential equation. आपके पास कोई भी इक्वेशन होगा डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, उसको if you are able to convert that equation in this category, this part, then you can apply this method. And some examples are this: dy by dx is plus y equals to sine x. Tell me what is the value of p in this first equation? What is the value of p and q? P is 1, q is also q is sine x, right? So both are the function of, either they are the function of a function of a x, or they are a constants. P and q cannot be the function of y. Okay, remember this. And this is also an example where dy by dx plus 1 over x into y is equals to ex, where ex is your q and 1 upon x is your ex is q and 1 over x is your p. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I am going to solve a question जिससे आपको थोड़ा सा बेटर समझ में आएगा. And these are the steps that you are going to do in this linear differential equation. I will explain this step with the help of question. सबसे पहले steps involved in solve first order differential equation. Whatever you are doing in your syllabus, that is only the first order differential equation. So write the given differential equation in the form of dy by dx plus py equals to q. That is already I told you here, where p and q are the constant or a function of x. This is important thing. Either they are the constant or the function of x. Okay, they cannot be the function of y. So please note this. Whenever you are trying to make your differential equation in this form, in dy by dx plus py equals to q. So always take care of whether you are getting your p and q either constant or a function of x. This is very important thing. This is the very first step that will tell you that which type of differential equation is there. Okay. So after that, after that you have this integrating factor. What is integrating factor? Integrating factor is basically, we generally denote this by if. if से मैं denote करते हैं, and this is what? This is e power integration of p dot dx. You already know your p value is from this, whether this is a constant or whether this is a constant or a function of x. All right. Is it clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is yeah. So after this, you have to write the solution of the given differential equation as a y is equals to y into if. If is your integrating factor. That is equals to integration of q. That is this part q, this term q into integration of q into integrating factor, and this is with respect to x variable plus of c. So your y into integrating factor is equals to integration of q into integrating factor dot dx plus of c. This is the solution of your given differential equation. Is it clear till now?
Sir.
Okay. So I'm going to solve a question. Okay, this is a question. Find the general solution. Find the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx minus y is equals to cos x. Ali, tell me how many arbitrary constants are there in this equation? In this general equation, how many arbitrary constants are there? You have been asked to find the general solution.
0.
How this is zero?
Because it is a general solution.
So in general solution, you got zero arbitrary constant. Tell me
Yes, sir.
how much?
Sir, n number of arbitrary constant.
N number. Angelina, what is the answer?
One,
How much?
one arbitrary constant.
Tell him the reason why one arbitrary constant.
Power. There's only one dy by dx.
Okay. Ali, I told you that whenever we asked to find the general solution, so in that you always have to check the order of differential equation. In this differential equation, its order is one. So you will get n number of arbitrary constant. If you have equation like this, if this is the equation, if your differential order is n, then you have n number of arbitrary constant. But here you have a one differential order, right? So you will get only one arbitrary constant. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And how many arbitrary constants will be there if I give you a condition where x is 0 and y is something, let's say 1, and I change this general into particular solution?
0. Yes.
Then you will get a 0. All right.
Yes, sir.
Please keep in mind about this. We are doing frequently mistake in this part. So in the general solution, okay. So first of all, write this differential equation. This is dy by dx minus of p dot y. I'm writing in the standard form. You know what is the standard form? Dy by dx plus p. This is the standard form. Dy by dx plus py equals to q. Equals to q. That is cos x. So what is the value of p? Comparing the above equation, you have a p equals to minus of 1, and your value of q is cos of x. So this condition is satisfied that either p and q are constants or a function of x only. So this is also satisfied. So you can proceed further. P is a constant and q is the function of x. So now you can move to the third step. Or not third, you can move to the second step. Now after this, you have to find the integrating factor. The integrating factor is e power, e power integration of p dot dx, e integration, your p is minus 1 dot dx. This will give you e power x. All right. Is it clear? And in this, it is not required to take any arbitrary constant. यहाँ पे arbitrary constant नहीं लेना है आपको. While finding the integrating factor, it is not required to take arbitrary constant when you are integrating anything in the power of this exponential part. So now you got your integrating factor. Now you have to follow the third step, that is write the solution of the given differential equation as a y into integrating factor. So this is your integrating factor. Now the solution of differential equation is y into integrating factor. What is the value of integrating factor? It is e power minus x, and this is equals to integration of q. Integration of q. What is your value of q? Q is cos x. Okay, see this one. Integration of q into integrating factor dot dx. Q into integrating factor. Your integrating factor is e power minus x dot dx with a arbitrary constant. This arbitrary constant is due to one order of this differential equation, and we have been asked to find general solution. That's why it is necessary to write a arbitrary constant. अगर हमारे पास यहाँ पे कोई पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन के लिए कोई हमें पॉइंट दिया होता लाइक एक्स एंड वाई, देन यू कैन remove this c value by finding the exact value of that c. Is it clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after this, what you have to do? You got this? All right. सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे? Yeah. So this is the integration that you have to solve, and let us consider this as a I. I is cos of x dot e of minus x dot dx. So tell me which type of method will be used in this integration. Which method we have to use for solving this type of integral? You have two functions. We studied three type of methods: integration by substitution, integration by partial fraction, and integration by parts. Which method we have to use? Tell me which method I have to use.
Integration by parts.
Okay, integration by parts. And how you will proceed with integration by parts? How you will proceed with integration by parts? What is the first step? You should know that what is the priority of the function, as a first function or as a second function. For that, I told you you have to use eyelet. Remember?
Sir.
So using the eyelet, your e minus of x is a second function, and your trigonometry function is a first function. So what you will do? First function bahar cos x, integration of second function minus integration of differentiation of first function, that is minus sin x. So it will become plus and sin x here. Integration of what? Second function again e minus x dx, and we have one more dx for the larger integral. So on solving this, you will get cos of x, and for this you will get e minus x over minus of 1 over minus of 1, and for this we will get sin x sin x sorry, and minus sin x into e power minus x dot dx. Now you have to apply same integration by parts here also. यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा माइनस ऑफ कॉस एक्स इंटू ई पावर माइनस एक्स, and here e sin x into e minus x dot dx. Now you have to apply one more time the integration by parts in this step. So this will give you integration of sin x dot e power minus x dx. इसका integration sin x, I'm removing sin x outside using the eyelet. Sin x is the first function, and integrating of the second function will give you e minus x, and minus sign is outside. then minus sign, integration of first function, that is sin x. Sin x का integration is cos x, and again the differentiation of the integration of, integration, no, not integration, differentiation of first function, that is cos x, into integration of second function. Second function का integration होगा minus e minus x, so that minus will make this plus, and we have e minus x dot dx. Now if you see this carefully, then you will observe that this was your I value. Right? So instead of this, on this place, I can write this as a I. So my complete answer will be, I'm just substituting these all things back in my equation. So I will be minus of cos x into e power minus x. All right, e power minus x. And for this part, we got this value. This is minus, and this is minus. Minus minus plus, minus minus plus, sine of x ex, and minus, and this plus minus, minus I. So I'm getting 2y is equals to, you can take e power minus x as a common, sine x minus of cos x over 2. Over 2. Right? Is it clear?
Sir.
Is it clear till now? Now you can substitute this value of I back in your equation जहाँ पे हमने consider किया था this thing y into e power minus x, right? This is the, note this equation as a 1. ठीक है? Now we have calculated this integration part, whose answer is this thing, right? So now put this in equation 1. Okay, putting this back in equation 1, then I will get y into e power minus x is equals to sin x minus cos x, over 2 into e power minus x plus of c. If you will simplify this, then, and all, you have to find the value of y. For that, you have to take this e power minus x on the right hand side, and for that, what we will do, we will get y is equals to, for the first term, e power minus x will get cancelled out. We will get sin x minus cos x by 2, right? And for this, c upon e power minus x. So c into e power plus x. This is the solution of that differential equation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
Sir.
Okay. See the steps carefully. First, second, and third. I'm giving you a question. Ali, how many arbitrary constants are there in this equation?
One.
One. Right. Okay, do this question. First of all, you have to bring this equation in the standard form of your linear differential equation.
So,
Is this clear?
so
What's the answer?
x squared by 4 plus c. Y is equal to x squared by 4 plus c.
Let's see.
Yes, c
That's it.
x minus 2. X minus 2. X raised to minus 2.
X minus 2. Okay. All right. What's your answer, Ali?
I got y is equals to x squared by 4 plus c.
Plus C. Please check. You must have this X minus 2 also. This is the right answer. See why it is important to make this into the standard form. अगर यहाँ पे आप स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं लेते, so in that case your p will be 2 and your q will be x square. So it is important to convert this into the standard form, that is dy by dx plus px equals to q, right? Is it clear?
Sir, done.
Same आ रहा है?
Sir.
Okay. Now do the second question. And why x is not equal to 0? What is the reason for x is not equal to 0? तो सिंपल है. Whenever you have a condition like x is not equal to 0 or some variable is not equal to 0, so then always you have some not defined quantity that is present in the question or equation. So when you divide this whole equation by x, तो आपका जो p वैल्यू होगा that is 2 by x. So your p cannot be not defined, है ना? If p is not defined, then you will not receive your integrating factor. Is it clear?
Sir.
Now do this question. It may possible that you are not given an equation in dy by dx form. For that you have to make your equation in a dy by dx form. And I hope you know very well how to make these type of things.
answer.
Okay. What's the answer?
X is equal to 2y square plus cy.
Ali, you are getting same answer?
Sir.
Okay. So after this we have one more thing. We have particular solution. Question में यहाँ पे अगर particular solution पूछेगा, like find the particular solution of any differential equation. In that case, we must have some condition like values of x and y. For that, you have this question. In this, find the particular solution of the differential equation. This is the differential equation. Ali, how many arbitrary constants are there?
0.
Okay, good. चलिए ठीक है, अब आपको समझ आ गया. Do this question. dy by dx is equals to y cot x is equals to 2x plus x square cot x. You must know the integration of cot x. Then only you can find your integrating factor.
Answer.
Okay, what's the answer?
Sir, y is equals to x square plus c by sin x.
Y equals to
X square plus c by sin x.
plus C by sin X.
Yes.
But this equation has an arbitrary constant. आपको condition दिया हुआ है ना अली. You have a conditions that when your x is 0, when your x is pi by 2, then your y is 0. So just use this condition. You have to find the particular solution. No, this is a general solution. Is it clear? This general solution is right. From here you have to find the value of c, then substitute back in this equation. उसके बाद आपको particular solution मिलेगा. Is it clear?
Sir.
You have been asked to find the particular solution. For that, you must have a zero number of arbitrary constant in your solution. So please do that.
So,
कितना आ रहा है अंजलिना?
y is equal to x square minus y square by 4 sin x.
Okay, is there is any restriction on this answer?
Sin x not equal to 0.
Sin x not equals to 0. That means your x should not be equal to what? It's trigonometry. कहाँ कहाँ पे sin x की वैल्यू 0 होती है? n pi, where n is integer. Is it clear? If n is 0, then sin 0 is 0. If n is 1, then sin pi is 1. Sin pi is 0. And for again 2 pi, sin 2 pi is 0. Again 3 pi is 0. है ना? So this is the right answer. Ali, are you getting this answer? What's the value of c?
Sir, I got c is equals to minus pi square by 4.
माइनस पाई स्क्वायर बाई 4 आएगा.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो उसके बाद यहाँ पे पुट करोगे तो माइनस पाई स्क्वायर बाई 4, and this is your particular solution. This is general. The above one is general, that is having the arbitrary constant, and the answer that is written here, this answer, it is the particular solution.
Sir.
Okay, now do a statement problem. Okay, I will not take one more lecture. ठीक है, because almost, not almost, every topic is covered, but in the next half hour I will conduct a quiz. Okay, in which I will include some good questions, some very easy questions, and yes, some very good, not good, some easy questions. Do this. Find the equation of a curve passing through point 0, 1 if a slope See, this 0, 1 is helpful for finding the arbitrary constant, you know, because your curve is passing from 0 to 1, 0, 1. If the slope of a tangent, you know the slope in the differential form, आसान है question. And see one more thing, your abscissa. Abscissa is a, have you heard this term before? Abscissa. Your abscissa is a value of y, and your ordinate is y coordinate. Okay. Abscissa जहां पे दिखे इसका मतलब होता है x की वैल्यू, x कोऑर्डिनेट.
So,
Okay. So what's the answer?
y is equals to -1 plus 2 into x raised to x square by 2.
2 into e power, na?
V power x raised x square by 2.
Okay. All right. This is the right answer. Ali, सही आ रहा है आपका?
Yes, sir, same answer.
Okay. Okay, so now let's start. आपका 9.5 एक्सरसाइज है, इसमें क्या हो गया अंजलिना? इज एवरीथिंग ओके?
यस सर।
तो इससे क्या होता है ना, आपका प्रैक्टिस थोड़ा सा अच्छा हो जाएगा. इन ओनली हाफ आवर आई थिंक यू कैन सॉल्व मोर देन 10 to 15 क्वेश्चंस. सो दैट इज अ क्विज. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर, that is okay. Okay, before starting the quiz, tell me what's the answer for this one. The integrating factor of a differential equation. See the differential equation very carefully. You have to find only integrating factor. No need to find the solution. Is it done? इस क्वेश्चन में इतना टाइम लग रहा है?
So,
व्हाट्स द आंसर?
the option.
बी ऑप्शन?
Yes, sir. D.
बी आ रहा है। व्हाट्स योर आंसर अली?
सर
माइक इज ऑफ।
सर टी।
डी। ठीक है। द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज here you have dxy dy, so your integrating factor will be e power p dot dy. Okay, this is your integrating factor. ठीक है? The integrating factor will also change according to your differential equation. जिसके रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करना होता है, you have to integrate in that respect only. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start the quiz. PYQs generally from CBSE and maybe from JEE mains in advance. Okay, so let's start. Okay. So the first question is, and rules are same.
Yes, sir.
बताइए अली कितना आ रहा है?
Sir, order is 3 and degree is 2.
Order is 3 and degree is 2. अंजलि ने व्हाट्सएप आंसर सही है?
Yes, sir. Same answer.
ठीक है। So the second question is, what's the degree and what's the order? Yes, tell me. Confusion है क्या कोई? Hmm, have you got the answer? Anjali, no.
Yes, sir.
क्या आंसर?
Order is two, degree not defined.
Order is 2 and degree is not defined. What's your answer, Ali?
Same, sir.
Same. So this degree and order is done. अब हम कुछ ठीक ठाक क्वेश्चन करते हैं. Next second question is this one. Yes. Find the general solution of differential equation. This is your differential equation. Now you know three methods. है ना, तीन मेथड आपको पता है. एक वेरिएबल सेपरेबल है. वन इज homogeneous and one is linear differential equation. I think you have four. Like this. Not four. You have three methods. All right.
answer.
Okay. Which method we have
Sir,
used? Which differential
sir,
equation we have?
homogeneous.
Homogeneous. Homogeneous? X squared
Sir,
minus
sir, the
yeah, homogeneous.
other,
Homogeneous is right.
yes, sir, homogeneous.
हाँ वही करेंगे. dy by dx आपका होगा एक्स स्क्वायर वाई अपॉन एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब है ना. So since power in the numerator is maximum power is 2 plus 1 that is 3 and नीचे भी 3 power है, so this is homogeneous.
Yes, sir.
All right, what's the answer?
Sir, x cube by 3y cube minus log of mod of y is equals to c. Sir, 3y cube.
y क्यूब या आपका कितना आ रहा है जुलिना?
Same answer, sir.
No, sir. Okay, tell me, is there is any issue if I write this as a plus or sorry, not plus, this as a minus and this as a plus? टीचर यहाँ पे आपके मार्क्स काट सकते हैं?
No, sir.
No, because you don't know your exact value of arbitrary constant. It can be positive, it can be negative, है ना. So it can be minus here and plus here because आप यहाँ ये minus और plus दोनों हो सकता है ना. That is that will be clear if you have some particular solution. So इससे कोई इशू नहीं होगा ना. All right. This one Angelina is 1.2, that is half. Okay, the next question is determine the general solution of dy by dx is equals to e power x plus 1 x plus y. अब आपको तीनों मेथड याद रखना है क्योंकि किस क्वेश्चन में कौन सा मेथड लगेगा वो दैट यू शुड फिगर इट आउट.
Answer.
आई सेड ये क्वेश्चन तो बिना पेन के हो जाना चाहिए था। नहीं होता। इट इज पॉसिबल आई गेस, बट पेन यूज करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, यूज कर सकते हो बिकॉज मार्क्स तभी मिलेंगे। ओके अंजलिना, टेल मी द आंसर।
E raised to x plus e raised to minus y is equal to c.
e raised to x, wait, e raised to x upon, then
Plus e raised to minus y is equal to c.
yes, ये आंसर है। अली, व्हाट्स योर आंसर?
Same answer, sir.
सेम आंसर। ओके, एक चीज देखिए, when you have asked this general solution, so what is the general solution of this differential equation? It must be y. This equation is wrong, not wrong, this is right, this is accurate एकदम, ठीक है। बट आपने यहाँ पे आपको एक और स्टेप करना, तो यू हैव टू फाइंड द y वैल्यू, ऑलराइट, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट showing that your general solution is, although this is correct, but this is the intermediate part. After this you have to find the value of y also, okay, because आपका जो solution है, that is not this equation, this is not showing your solution. इसके बाद एक स्टेप और करना होगा आपको, है ना, log लेके या फिर कुछ कुछ भी करके you can get your value of y, that will give you the solution of this differential equation. So Zelina won and Ali got half. All right. बिकॉज अगर ये 3 नंबर का क्वेश्चन होगा, आपने यहाँ तक किया होगा, देन टीचर विल डिडक्ट 1 मार्क्स, बिकॉज what is asked about the general solution, that is not written as a form of answer. Your answer will be this, but this is actually the intermediate step, so please keep in mind, जो पूछा गया लास्ट में आपको वो लेके आना है, मतलब लेके नहीं आना है, वो आना चाहिए। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस, सॉल्व द लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। अगर यहाँ पे लीनियर नहीं दिया होता, अगर ये बोला नहीं गया होता, देन कैन यू केम टू नो दैट दिस इज अ लीनियर, आ जाते ना, ये समझ आ जाता, डी वाई बाई डी एक्स है, वाई इक्वल्स टू साइन एक्स प्लस कॉस एक्स है, सो यू विल फील दिस इज अ लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, ऑल्दो दिस इज, अरे यार, वेट, I don't know, there is some issue with this, yeah, ठीक है, solve this.
Done, sir.
आंसर
ओके, कितना रैली?
Sir, y is equals to sin x plus c e power minus x.
गुड। आपका कितना रहा? सेम आ रहा है अंजलि ना?
यस सर।
ओके, सो हमेशा ऐसे ही करना, जब भी आपको सोल्यूशन निकालना है, सो ऑलवेज फाइंड द वाई वैल्यू, ठीक है? ओके, नाउ लेट इंक्रीज द लेवल। सारे क्वेश्चन आसान ही लग रहे हैं। इतने आसान क्वेश्चन आते हैं क्या इसमें? मेरे टाइम पे तुम ऐसे नहीं आते थे। ओके, सो क्या, चलिए। इसी क्वेश्चन से काम चलाते हैं। Okay, do this question, and this is the last question of this quiz. JM in 2024, solve the differential equation that is given